Well, it might not look like much. It's big and bad and ugly. It's really not as big as this picture makes it look. And I'm going to climb up here and show you what I did. I took the valve cover off. You can see that in there. There's the valve cover right there. And it was sure enough hydrolocked. It had water in them cylinders. And I could only get one bolt loose. And I stuck that screwdriver in there. And the water dripped out down below. And then kept turning it over a little bit at a time. And I'd pry open them exhaust valves a little bit. And turn it a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. And then of course, like the dash and the start button and all that's not much. But if you take this here's the key, you see. And you take the key right there and you go like this here. That doesn't always work real good. Sometimes it works better than others. And there you go. Run sweet. It just sits there and runs. There's all them little guys just cooking away. And it's gone. I got a little smoke, but I don't know why yet. I haven't run it much. A little oil leak down there, but that's coming from the hose that goes to the oil pressure sensor. So we can fix that. That ain't nothing. Runs smooth as silk. And then, of course, it's a little weird because there ain't no way to turn it off. That's a little freaky. There's the throttle. That works pretty good. If you want to turn it off, you just pull on this knob right here. And that turns it off just like my other one. There she is. It is officially worth it. Much more to be done.